There's always something about flowers. Well, I don't know if it's flowers with Valentine or it's flowers with all occasions. Something about flowers, maybe it's about their beauty or how they smell. I personally did not receive any flowers, and that really meant a great deal to me. Today, I'm joined with two of my favorite panelists who they're going to tell us if really they did receive flowers and what Valentine's means to them.
My name is Florence Nduta, and I'm dating, and I didn't receive flowers, but at least I got a dinner. My guy came and then took me out for dinner. We went, ate, and then because of the curfew, we went back to the house. We finished up with a glass of wine, and then we called it a day. Yes.
Wow. Somebody really had fun.
It seems like. My name is Walda Wanjohi. My relationship is complicated. Did I really receive flowers? No, I didn't receive flowers, but I received something special. I love cake, so I received cake and a box of chocolates and a tiny teddy bear.
Wow. Wow.
Are you jealous?
Kinda.
Just heard you saying that you went for dinner,
Yes.
you are for a date, you also went for a date. But unfortunately, somebody like me had to stay at home and breastfeed the kid. Or I really had to stay home, cook for people in the house. So it wasn't anything special for me. I really wish I had.
Do you know, si lazima ati muende kwa dinner, muende kwa restaurants for something to be special. You can also, because I know you are breastfeeding, kwenda mahali na mtoto, especially at night, it's very handful.
With COVID.
Yes, with
and the
COVID,
COVID
exactly.
also,
Yeah. Like so inazafanya ikwe things ikwe hard, but you can make something small, ikwe special in your own way. Maybe you can utengeneze.
But you see the problem with us is we expect too much. Like you see your expectations, you really wanted flowers. And I know he tried his best and got you wine. You
Yes.
He really tried. But you see the mistake we do. We expect so much and we don't tell them exactly what we need.
But I should not tell you what I need. Because in Valentine, you should know, you should have a clue of what I want.
Let me tell you something. This guy is from ametoka nje. Hamjazaliwa na yeye, hakujui, hajui unapenda nini. You see, so it is for you to make him know the things that you love. So if it is flowers you want, keep reminding him.
No wonder.
Go with him to the shop. Tell him, I need to buy this. Usingoje akwambie, ama umwambie nibaie hii maua. Buy it. Come with it home. Akikuuliza mwambie,
that's something.
Babe, unajua mimi nakwanga nimependa maua. That's it. Then pole tu atenda kielewa. Mbona una nini unapenda maua?
I told him, by the way, I'm expecting a new dress, a new pair of heels, and my nails, at least lazima zikuwe awesome, and then my hair. That's it.
So you went out?
Yes.
Wow. What did you carry?
Nilibeba kwa kibeti.
Kwa kibeti.
Karibu ni okay. Nilikuwa nimebeba, unajua lazima makeup. Ikitoka kidogo unaenda kwa choo, unaenda kwa loo, unajitengeneza at least. And then I also have a new beba prep. Kila mahali kwenye naenda kwenye kwa toaji prep ni dawa yenye inamezwa kila siku. Na unamezanga ukiwa negative and you know you're at risk of getting HIV. So that is why mimi namezanga prep na imezanga kila siku at 8 p.m. because it's a drug, and you know as a drug like you must keep time, you must be strategic when taking it. Si kila ati leo unameza 5, kesho unameza saa moja nini. Yes, that is how I take prep. Your dawa. What do unajua kuhusu prep?
I don't have multiple partners, but I prefer condoms, being that I am safe from HIV, I am safe from STIs, and I am safe from unwanted pregnancies. And being my relationship is complicated, I won't go swallowing PrEP every day.
And then don't you get condom bursts?
I am well lubricated.
And what if there is a condom
Eh,
burst?
because it happens like once in a while.
Yeah, but you see, I have not really, it does happen, but to me it's like it's a 99%, but I will go for PEP. I will
Okay.
definitely go for
Okay.
PEP because
And that
I
is
don't
why-
trust him.
Yes.
I don't trust him at all. The only people I trust in my life are my kids.
Wait a minute. You mean that you carry condoms in your purse when you went you go out
every
for
day.
dinner?
Yeah.
Like it's a daily
Ah.
thing.
Ati out for dinner. Hiyo imetoka wapi? Do you even go out for dinner? Okay, fine. My relationship now, my relationship is there's this guy who is into me. Okay, I like him, but you see, he doesn't he doesn't know when I tell him I can't see him because I am a mother of 2. I have 2 lovely girls, and my girls take up all my time. I will spare time for him, but you see, I will tell him like I can only see him twice in a week. And being for me and him on a Sunday is a no-go zone. It's time for me and my girls to go to church. We do lunch, we catch up. So I can only see him on Friday night or Saturday night. And him, he doesn't want that. So it basically becomes hard for us. So every time we are fighting, we are quarreling, so it's hard. Hata hii Valentine, siku expect. Nililetewa tu na nikachiwa hapo kwa mlango. I am never with him 24/7. So I don't know if when I'm not with him akona nani.
Okay. I get you.
After all, at the end of the day, this is my life, sweetheart.